Hello, Bear Bull traders. This is Vicer. It's March 12th, 2020. This is an update on my Apple a naked put. A couple of days ago, I made a video where I showed you where I had sold a put. I'll show you that now. So on March 10th, I sold a naked put, the 240 strike, and I collected a credit of $1.07 for this. It's in the video from a couple days ago. This morning, when the market opened, gap down, and Apple was also down, I took advantage of this opportunity. So at 7:34 Mountain Standard Time, 9:34 Eastern Standard Time, I rolled this position and I rolled it down. So in this trade right here, where you see these two orders, you can see that one contract, this open contract, was bought it back to close. So I bought back the 240 put, and then I was able to, because Apple stock was down, I was able to sell the 200 put further out in time with a May 15th expiration. So I was able to move my short strike down 40 points and move it out approximately 2 months. And this netted another $6.64. That includes purchasing the contract back. So you can see one contract was bought for $2.14. The other one was sold for $8.78. That net is $6.64. Future options have a multiplier of 100 to 1. So this, I now received a credit of an additional credit of $664, and I now have an option that's 2 months further out in time and 40 points lower. So this is actually, I couldn't even imagine this opportunity even happening, and so I was grateful for it, and I took advantage of this. And once again, I'm still bullish on Apple even with everything that's going on, but if I can continue to just roll this naked put further out in time, lower down, and collect premium, then I will continue to do that. That's my trade recap for today. I've made some other trades. However, I just wanted to do an update on this naked put that I had and demonstrate how I rolled this. Hope you all have a great day. Stay green, and I'll see you in chat tomorrow. Thanks. Bye.